So we're going to give you a quick demonstration today at how effective our bamboo fibre applicator pads are for cleaning the seats in this Audi, and then the bamboo fibre towel to wipe away any residue. We're going to tape the seat base up 50-50 so we can show you the difference. So that is the bamboo fibre pad, and that is the luxury silky feeling bamboo fibre towel, and that's obviously LRC1 leather cleaner. So we're just going to tape up the seat, and we're just going to show you how much dirt and grime that it can actually pull off the seat very, very effectively and very, very safely. The good thing with the bamboo pads is they're perfectly safe on piano black and areas like that, compared to traditional sort of pads which are made from thermoplastics, which damage items like that and obviously damage the coatings on leather. You will actually see one of our videos from a couple of years ago that we did where we reviewed a particular pad. It was a thermoplastic pad, and it sort of damaged the leather coating on the surface. So you can have a look at that. In comparison to these very fine, soft, natural pads, which obviously give you an antimicrobial coating as well. On the surface, they're absolutely fantastic in comparison. So we're just going to simply spray on LRC1 leather cleaner, like so, and then we're just going to gently scrub the pad over the surface to agitate any dirt. You can see it's sort of got a really nice sort of foaming action as well, which is what we're looking for. And it's just that leather smell, the leather aroma of LRC1 is absolutely out of this world. So it's just a matter of going over the surface, agitating that in, and then we're going to wipe the dirt and grime away that we've got on here. But it's going to be certainly, it's going to be difficult. It's not like going cream, where we're going to see a massive difference, but you can still see that there's some dirt on the surface that it's going to be bringing off, which is exactly what we're wanting it to do. And I can see that the seats are quite shiny here anyway, and this is looking pretty dull. So what we're doing now, so that's exactly what we need to achieve, is that nice sort of dull finish to the seats. Because obviously, predominantly, shiny seats is dirty leather, which is what we don't want to have. Then just simply wipe away. The seats aren't all that dirty, to be fair. We do keep it clean, very, very regular. But you can see the difference that it's made there to the seats. It's quite a big difference, in all fairness. You can see there the difference is quite staggering. So that is exactly how you would use the bamboo fibre towel along with the bamboo applicator pad and LRC1 leather cleaner. You can go on over to our website and buy these online, leatherrepaircompany.com.